NOCO Boost HD GB70 2000 amp 12-volt UltraSafe portable lithium car battery jump starter pack for up to 8-liter gasoline and 6-liter diesel engines. Start dead batteries, safely jump start a dead car battery in seconds with this compact, yet powerful, 2000 amp portable lithium car battery jump starter pack, up to 40 jump starts on a single charge, and rated for gasoline engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters. UltraSafe, safe and easy to use car battery jump starter pack without the worry of incorrect connections or sparks. Safely connect to any 12-volt automotive car battery with our mistake-proof design featuring spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. Multifunction, it's a car jump starter, portable power bank, LED flashlight, and 12-volt portable power. Recharge smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. It's easily rechargeable from any powered USB port in 6 hours at 2.1 amps. An integrated 400-lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. Plus, a 12-volt, 15-amp outport port for powering any 12 VDC devices, like tire inflators, inverters and more. Advanced design, our most advanced portable car battery jump starter ever. Featuring high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any climate. A rugged and water-resistant enclosure rated at IP65. A rubberized over-molded casing to prevent scratching or marring of surfaces. Allows rapid charging in 2 hours via the vehicle's auxiliary port. And an ultra-compact and lightweight design weighing just 5 pounds. In the box, GB70 UltraSafe portable lithium car battery jump starter pack. Needle nose battery clamps, XGC male and female connectors, XGC cable, micro USB charging cable, microfiber storage bag, user guide, 1-year warranty, and designed in the USA. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.